Alrighty, what's up, y'all? We have us a Weiser old style fashion handle set that is working okay from the outside. No, actually it's not. I take that back. It's not working okay from the outside, but the main thing is the thumb turn. What I felt before I took it off the door was the thumb turn was just not going back into position there. So something tells me this just needs lubricant. We'll try that first. Extra paper towels. So this does have to be in the right position. It's not loose. Alright, I don't think we're going to be able to do anything with this, but let's go ahead and check it. Don't ever take this screw apart because that exposes everything here. What I'm going to do is take it off and try to lube it from the back end, see if that helps. Oh, by the way, take the key out. So let's see if a back end lubricant will help. It's kind of, at this point, it's probably just wear on this internal cassette. So this guy may be biting a bullet one day soon. Alright, so it is spring loaded. And let's go over here, drop that screw out. Come on out. Yeah, we got some crud here we could probably get rid of. Now putting it back together is a little bit harder because this guy is spring loaded and has to engage in that. So you need to make sure this is turned flat and that this goes in this hole. Oh, look, I see some debris coming out. Oh, a spider. Okay, so make sure that's flat. Now's a good time to put the key like halfway back in, that way you can steady the cylinder. Just like that. put this on upside down. Nope, we didn't. Okay. And when it smushes down, that goes in the hole. So we are going to try that. Okay, raise this up a little bit. And go straight down. Okay, did I hit it first time? I think I did. Okay. Let's get at least 2 of you on before I take pressure off my thumb there. Okay. Put our other 2 back. So you know, the only thing about Houdini is it's not that slippy like, you know, grease. This thing needs a little bit heavier grease. A lock shot would be really good right here. Tighten up. Another option though is I have this Luby, which is pretty greasy. Let's just give it a shot down in there. Yeah, greasy. That mixture. I think that's enough grease for one lock. Well, there we go, y'all. All done. The top of this is never gonna rust.